Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to build a zombie. And I'm going to show you how we're going to build a zombie. Got an old mannequin. We got some arms. We don't have no head. So we're going to put a head on this thing. And show you how I'm going to do that. I got a couple of these from Spirit Halloween. They are out of proportion in my book. I do like the heads. These are rubber, but the heads are plastic. And they're just held on by a little piece of wire, the arms are. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those arms off and I'm just going to use the head. The head is hollow inside. You buy one and you get the other one half off. So I've already got one I picked out, and we're going to use it on this mannequin, and we're just going to show you how we're going to do that. So this is what I got, guys. This is the head I got. As you can see, it's just a thin plastic. Pretty gnarly. Now his head is proportionate to this mannequin. So what we gotta do is put it on there. And what we'll do is we'll just throw some screws in it, screw that head down on top of this. And we'll put the arms on it, and we can make the arms how we want to. And put some clothes on it, you have your zombie. So let's screw this sucker on there. So what I'm doing, guys, is I got some clear school glue, and I'm just using, as you can see, I'm just using a little bit of red food coloring and a couple drops of green with the red. You just mix it up. It's going to make it look gnarly. It's going to make it look dark. As you can see, I put some light on, but I want to go in and put some dark on top of that. And what I use with the light is I use some this here Liquitex heavy gel. There's different ways you can mix that, but I just mix that for a light color, but I'll probably mix it later. But I really enjoy using clear glue just because it runs real good. And we'll put some right over top of all of this to make it look pretty gnarly. Let it run. It look like she had a good meal. Stick on and let it run down. And this will set up and dry. So we want her to make it look like she had a nice gnarly meal. And it ain't gonna matter if it runs, you kinda want it to run. Make it look a little better. She had a decent meal. And this will stay shiny too, so that's one good thing about I like using school glue. It'll stay shiny. The reason I'm putting on this one side, it looks like she's done bloodied up and eating some stuff on this side anyway, so we'll keep it all to the one side as much as possible. We can even put some down her arms. You know, she got some blood all over her arm here. Now this is dark, but you know, once it dries up a little bit, it'll show up a little lighter, so you'll be able to see through it a little bit. Zombie blood's supposed to be dark anyway, so we're good. Now, I'm not doing nothing, anything fancy, guys. You just figure out how you want to put it on and put it on there. See what you come up with. Sometimes your accidents is your best outlook. Outcome. We'll put a little bit up here. So I think it looks pretty good. So there you go, guys. There's a zombie we just built. Put a little blood on our fake bat. It's just foam rubber. Put some fake blood on my arm, make it look like we smashed him up a little bit. I think it looks pretty groovy. So there you go, guys. It just goes to show you that you can make your own zombie with some pieces and parts. You don't have to go buy a whole set. I didn't pay nothing for the mannequin, and I paid either $50 or half off on this head, and I paid probably about $3 or $4 for this outfit. I think the bat was a little salty. I think it was like 10, 15, 20 bucks, something like that. But it's just another avenue that you can do to make your zombie for your haunted attraction. So don't be afraid to try it, guys. Just build a doggone thing. You don't have to be perfect. I think it looks pretty groovy. We have another one, something like this, that we're going to do later on, so stay tuned for that one. And we'll make a few of these. So here we are, guys, at the end of the video, hanging out with all of our friends. So this is the main friend that we worked on today. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go over and check out Cobwebs and Candlesticks and the Weird Kid Show. K&T does Halloween. They got an awesome channel as well. They do a lot of builds and, you know, redos and stuff like that. So that's what it's all about, guys. Taking something from scratch and making it pretty. So check out their channels, and we hope it inspires you guys to build your own things, and I think you'll do all right. And don't worry about messing up, guys. Nobody's perfect. So this is part of the challenge that K&T put out, that Halloween is not dead because of the COVID thing this year. So there you go, guys. K&T, there you go. There, I made my own zombie. Hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Be safe out there. Happy Halloween, and we hope to see your guys' build in the future. And as always, guys, it don't have to be perfect. Just build it. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep it creepy.